Here we go. Now we're talking, guys. Look at that. 3,000 watts, 24 volt, output 110 to 120 volt.
We're Audrey, Stephen, and Bella, our charismatic Doberman. It's now been 9 months living full-time in Artemis, our vintage RV. After replacing our refrigerator, we finally finished our big roof project. With record high temps across the country, we decided to remove our basement air conditioning unit that never even worked, and it just required too much power for our boondocking needs. Join us this month as we show the ultimate DIY basement AC solution. We continue to get Artemis ready for the road before the cold weather comes back in just a few months. We hope you enjoy watching. Give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to follow our journey.
Got right at it this morning. I was already at Lowe's. I was going to do some filming, but honestly, I got a bunch of stuff running around in my head of everything that needs to be done. I don't know if you can see up there, but I've already started cutting some holes in the bottom of my RV that's underneath the couch. And I have this stuff right here. So this has got to get fed up through that hole. And then I'm going to be wiring in a switch so that I can run this air conditioner off both shore power or generator power or battery power. Time to feed some cable. I got one line running out of 3, so I'm gonna start getting the switch mounted inside so that I can start connecting everything up here. So much cable to run today. That's what's popping out from that side of the couch, so we're gonna connect it to that guy so that I can switch from one power source to another. I cut out the template here of the bolt pattern so that I could tape that to the wall and drill the holes so it will fit where I want it to. I just got to figure out where I got to mount it. I'm thinking somewhere on that wall right there on this cabinet. So in theory, this cabinet's right next to the fridge. I would just open this up and I'd reach down here. Of course, I'd have to clear this out, but basically, I think my lever is going to be right in here. And then when it's not used, it's out of sight and out of mind. All right, so I got the right drill bit. I cleared this out, and I'm starting to realize that this thing in here is actually a false cover. So this is actually, there's another thicker wall on this side. And this piece isn't going to push through both of them. So I'm going to get a screwdriver in here. I'm going to pull this panel out right here. So I'm just going to pull this guy out right here. And yeah, we'll see what's behind it. And we'll start drilling. Okay. You see I have this junction box in now. Now I'm just rewiring that. I'm going to take a heat gun out here. I'm going to get this nice and warm. I'm going to push that down more. For now, it's about as good as I can get it by hand. So now, I'm just taking this, roll that down. I'll be just about done here, and then I gotta run my cable from the inverter up to the transfer switch, and then I'll be done for the day. And then I'll have the ability to basically switch the power from the shore power to the inverter just by flipping a switch inside, which is what I want to do. The old measure once cut twice club for me. There's some frame rail back there that I caught, so I had to go down. So I'm gonna have to get some tape up in here and then just fill that in with some expanding foam when I get done, cover up that oops. But it's in the back of the water bay, so I should be able to get my cable through there, and I have some grommets and stuff I'll run with that. And then that's gonna come from the inverter and go all the way up into that switch in the cab. The remnants of my wiring mess. And there she is in that cabinet. I could have done a better job cutting that out, but nobody's gonna see it. I just connected the shore power, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out there and test that with my multimeter, and I should have no voltage on that outlet right now. And then I'll come back and I'll click it to 1, and I should have voltage coming in from my shore power. And then I'll know I'm done. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the bottom of here. There it is.
Hey, want to help us out? Subscribe to our channel. It's totally free and it would really bring us joy. Then click the bell notification so you know when we have a new video up. Thanks.
We can definitely do a better job of getting that all up in there, but for the most part that is all ready to go. So I tested this just a second ago. I just basically went boop and boop. Yeah, that's no voltage. No voltage at all. We'll turn that switch on and see if we get voltage. Oh hi doggy. Look, I'm almost done. Can we stop? Can we finish recording? I'm almost finished. I'm done for the day. I gotta clean up all this mess though. Do the same thing. This is all one-handed, so you'll have to excuse me. There we go. So we got 114 volts at this socket currently, which means that I'm good. I'm good to go. I can turn this thing back on and have AC tonight. Hell yeah. Some of the carnage from wiring all day on the RV. Oh, it's only a quarter of what I have to do. We have more stuff to unbox today. Actually opening this up upside down. This is a SunGoldPower. It's another inverter. It's kind of sad that I have the box upside down, huh? Oh well. Can I even open it like this? Oh yeah, I can. I gotta flip it over. And then I can. There we go. Right side up, eh? Ta-da! That's my girl. Hi, Belly B. It's out of the box. I get a manual. This thing is gigantic. No. Got my positive and negative covers there. Here it is. Here's the future of my power supply for the RV. Oh, I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited about this. So very nice. So yeah, now we're just waiting on some batteries to show up and I can get all this stuff wired in. And we'll be ready to go boondocking. Hey y'all, today is the day the batteries are supposed to arrive. So I need time between now and 6 p.m. tonight. Hey Belly. I have 825 amp hour batteries being dropped off and they're gonna go underneath the bed. These closet doors are broken, they don't work, they're terrible, they're from 1995, I hate them. So they're gonna come out today as well. And I'm going to mount the shutoffs for the two inverters where this radio used to be that hasn't worked in I don't know how many decades. So we don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put a board in here and we're gonna mount our switches. So first things first, let's get these closet doors out of here. So this part is already out, I guess. I don't even gotta do much to pull it. Oh, the back wheel is still. Go through my closet soon, get rid of all the clothes I haven't worn in a year. One out. Oh, don't. A little bit of leverage, that's all you need. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here in one piece. Oh God. Oh. So FedEx just called me. They're about 10-15 minutes away with my batteries. I'm really excited. So now we just gotta get that closet door out of the bedroom. And as soon as the batteries get here, man, like I got so much work to do. It's gonna be a busy week. I probably should have opened this door and latched it or sealed it. Oh gosh. Easy peasy. Howdy. How you doing? That little thing right there. That pallet right there? Yes, sir.